is a finely tuned instrument of precision. Inside, hundreds of intricate parts work together with the movement undergoing approximately 1 million impulses a year through the escapement. This constant activity leads to friction and wear. Here in our state-of-the-art workshop, every watch is serviced by our dedicated in-house Master Watchmaker with over 30 years of experience in the industry. Like any high-performance machine, your watch requires care and maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Regular servicing not only keeps your watch ticking, but can also save on costly repairs. Regular watch servicing keeps time accurate, prevents wear and tear, restores water resistance, enhances longevity, and preserves the value of your timepiece. With our Master Watchmaker's expertise, we ensure your watch stays in perfect condition for years to come.